Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to the webinar on recent trends on Autodesk Fusion 360. I'm Vignesh K from Pratyusha Engineering College pursuing final year mechanical engineering department. So let's move on the topic. This is what we are going to see in this webinar, which is the content. First one is what is Autodesk, their products, Autodesk Fusion 360, unique features of Autodesk Fusion 360 used in modeling, CAD/CAM, 3D printing, and analysis. What is Autodesk? Autodesk is an INC, that is a multinational company from American Software Corporation that makes software services for the architecture, engineering, construction, manufacturing, media, education, and entertainment industries. It is an wide wide industry in the making of softwares. Then the uh, founder of this Autodesk Fusion 360, founder of the Autodesk company is John Walker in 1982. The Autodesk Fusion 360 headquarters is located in San Rafael in California. In this slide, their products like Autodesk Maya, Autodesk Fusion 360, AutoCAD, Autodesk Inventor, Autodesk Revit, CivilCAD, PowerMill, and FutureCAM. These are the some of their products which has been released from them. These products are widely used in various industries and used for many persons such as in students and etc. It is used in the industries like manufacturing, automotive, civil industries, and such as in wide area. Then Autodesk Fusion 360. In Autodesk Fusion 360 is the first 3D CAD, CAM, and CAE tool of the kind. It connects the entire product development process in a single cloud-based platform that works on the both Mac and PC. It is the only software which supports the Mac in it, such as the CATIA or SolidWorks or not supports the Mac, but the Autodesk is supports the Mac here. Then unique features of Autodesk Fusion 360. It is a cloud-based software. First thing, it is a main thing, that is the other the other software such as SolidWorks, CATIA, Creo are not the cloud-based software. It is the cloud-based software here, and teamwork can be maintained in the cloud. So in the CATIA and SolidWorks and all, only a single person can use it. But here, though it is a cloud, we can have a different persons to use the software, and they can assemble as a team. Improvised user interface, easy modeling and assembly, good in analysis and rendering. Then it is used in modeling, CAD or CAM, 3D printing, and analysis. These are the most widely used in these fields. And other than also we have in sheet metal works that and all. Then company used in the Autodesk Fusion 360 or Lockheed Martin. It is basically an automotive company. Meshew Scale Diagnostics. It is an healthcare industry. Samsung Electronics and Fresno City College. It is an educational institution which use only the Autodesk Fusion 360 software. In modeling, as compared to other softwares like CATIA Creo, SolidWorks, and also Autodesk Inventor, the Autodesk Fusion 360 is very much easy and easy to design and model the new component. As in the other softwares in CATIA or SolidWorks, it is much harder to look the user interface and the icons, such as in CATIA we have more icons and more icons there, so it is very hard to remember there. But in Fusion 360 we have less numbers of icons and using of the things. Though it is a cloud-based software, it is used to save our projects. There is no need to save the modeled file in our system or PC, but we can also it is easily saved in the cloud. Once every 15 days it will be refreshed. We have to just for 15 days we can use it in offline. It will be saved in our local memory, and after 15 days while we are connecting to internet, it will be automatically upload to their cloud, so we can access that cloud using our password and using a mail id and password that will be created when the software is downloaded. Then in CAD/CAM we have easy simulation of all milling, drilling, shaping, grinding, and testing of and turning of all the featured CAM machines. Like as the semi-automated milling or turning machines, we have we can simulate there by using by feeding the G codes and the M codes in it. But after drawing this, after modeling in this, we can actually integrate with the machines and we can see simulation easily. Directly the G codes and M codes have been taken from here itself and we can actually fed into that. So it is easy. Like Phonak or any other G code software, we don't need to search of that. Then in 3D printing, it is also widely used in the 3D printing areas. We can easily model a single component such as any pyramid or any harrow design models like that, and we can easily 3D print it. Here, after modeling of any product to be 3D printed, the software automatically merged with the 3D printer and we done it. Due to this, no other software is used for the slicing of the product to get G codes and M codes. As I said earlier, we can actually generate the G codes and M codes here itself and we can easily slice it. There is no needs of any conversions or other things. No needs of fitting into another software like Cura for 3D printing. For 3D printing, it is one of the main software, Cura. There is no need of that software here, in that intermediate software here. Here in the digital manufacturing, the 3D printing metals is also done. We can create a huge part like a propeller of the submarine or a ship. We can easily design it and we can actually 3D print it and then we can surface finish it so that it is easily making of a product without any casting or molding. That are the new digital manufacturing techniques. Then analysis. After drawing any product or after modeling any product, we can easily analysis and render the it model it is, and we can done it. There is no need of any other software like ANSYS and all. It also saves our time to go to and search for any other software. Now I'll show you a video about this the Autodesk Fusion 360.
What is Fusion 360? Is it a cloud-enabled collaboration platform that enables designers to instantly share, review project data, manage versions, find where use, and share ideas on any device at any time? Is it a 3D CAD application with both freeform and solid modeling tools seamlessly integrated into one application? Is it a 3D animation and rendering application? Is it the first cloud-enabled tool to provide 2D drawing capabilities? Is it simulation software? Or is it a CAM application for turning and milling operations? This is what you need to know about Fusion 360. It's not any one of those things. It's all of those things. It's the next generation product innovation platform designed to work on Mac, PC, and mobile devices. So come on, what are you waiting for? Try Fusion 360 today.
So that you have seen the video here. Is the software is paid? The answer is yes, it is a paid software, but for the students, we have a 1 year free educational license for learning. So you can just have a you can just create an account in the Autodesk website and you can just click the download button to download the Fusion 360. The one thing you have to submit for them is the ID card proof of your college ID card. That's it. And that's it about the webinar. Thank you.